Welcome to PROCAD's 2D application supporting module tutorials. Watch the entire video or use the on-screen table of contents to skip to a specific topic. The Bill of Materials Settings Manager tutorial covers the following topics: creating templates, layouts, and options. Let's begin. Double-click the Bill of Materials Settings Manager icon to open the application. Our first topic is creating templates. In the Bill of Materials Settings Manager, we see the English and metric standards, which are default with the software. All PROCAD software supports both English, feet and inches, and metric, millimeter, units. The Twin Lakes project was created for the demos and tutorials. Under each of the standards are the default templates that come with the software. We have the isometric. There are 2 templates available. There can be more templates if required. We see different templates, different styles for each of the 2D applications. There's also a list or some default lists that can be inserted into the drawings. Let's look at our Twin Lake project and create a template under the isometric software. Right-click and select New, or under the Bill of Materials Settings, click New, and a new template is created. Give it an appropriate name. Templates can be renamed, copied, or deleted. They can also be moved from one application to another. The second topic in our tutorial are the layouts. Once we have created our template, located it in the correct standard and under the right application, we can then double-click it to open it to modify the layout. We see all of the information, the title that would show up in the bill of material when it's inserted into the drawing. We see our component groups and types, our unused component groups, and down at the bottom we will see the data, column widths, and details. Each of our components is listed and the subfittings that go with it. The sequence that is shown is the sequence it will appear in the bill of material. Under the pipe category, for instance, we will see a subtitle of the pipe, and under the pipe we will see the number, the length of pipe, the size, the schedule, the description, and the material, and then shop or field. We can adjust these column sizes simply by using our mouse and sliding bars across. Click Apply Column Changes to save the changes. To add or remove columns, simply right-click and delete or insert. Under the Insert tab, we see that all the default column headings that can be added to our layout, including part numbers, equipment numbers, manufacturers. So this will be just under the pipe information, making it totally customizable. So to add part number, we can add in the part number. To move its location, simply click and drag to the location where you'd like that column to be, and then again adjust the size. Remember to apply column changes. Under the Sorting tab, we can adjust the order in which items in the bill of material will be sorted. To move any of the information up or down, simply select on the item you would like to move up in the sort order and pick the up arrow. So now we'll sort by the type, the description, the size, then the part number, then the rating, then the schedule. This would be for each of the layout items. Under the Numbering tab, we can set the start number for our bill of material. Defaults to 1. We see a sample below. We can round it, say, to the nearest 5. And then each category will round to the nearest 5 when it's starting the next section. We can also just do a minimum offset or skip numbers. So if we set this to 2, we see that it's missing item number 4 and item number 9 in our sample in case there's an additional item added later on. Again, the default is 1. Our last topic in the tutorial is options. Select options. It allows us to set things like the fonts for our bill of material title, the group headers, the pipe, the fittings, the valves. We can set the fonts. We can set sizes. We can also set the component length. So feet and inches, cut length, or total length of pipe, cut length of pipe. If we use total length, we can round it up. If we use cut length, it will give us the exact length. We can use just plain number formatting for spreadsheets. So if we use an output format for the spreadsheet, it will be in decimal format. These can all be set for each layout. Once those are set, we can take a look at the CAD options. So the CAD options are the physical sizes that will show up in our drawing. We have inches. So the bill of material width is 4.5 inches. The height, maximum height, is 7.5. And if we need more than one column spacing will be 1 inch. And finally, the preview tab, which shows a sample of the template layout that would appear in a drawing using the bill of material generator tool. So let's see this in action. So in my drawing, I now want to place my bill of material. Select the bill of material tab. Select the generate bill of material tool. We'll select the default drawing, component sizes, filters. We now see our template that was created, the TLP-ISO. Select the template, insert into the drawing, click Finish. Insertion point is top right. We won't bother with the balloons, we'll just look at the bill of material. And we now see our bill of material, complete with our part number. If we need to make changes, we can adjust accordingly. This concludes the topics covered in the Bill of Material Settings Manager tutorial. Please review the topics in this module or select another module.